Brad Hall here. Today I am bringing back a nearly forgotten about show, a show that I call Celebrity Perks. Today on Celebrity Perks, I'm going to answer the question, do celebrities get free shoes? The short, simple answer I can answer right now. They, in fact, do occasionally get free shoes. Just about a week ago, I got a package, a totally unexpected package, which I don't often get, so it was a real treat. It was from Highsnobiety. They sent me this really nice New Balance 577 that they worked on with New Balance, made in the UK. Very soft. Getting this pair of shoes, it was such a thrill. And again, I do not often get sent things like this. So it got me thinking, maybe, just maybe, celebrities, they can get free pairs of shoes at ease. So that's what I want to figure out today. To try to answer this question, I am going to see if I can get one of these upcoming Yeezy 350s for free. I'm going to call a retailer, tell them who I am, and we're going to see if celebrities do in fact get shoes for free. Hi, are you getting the Yeezy release that's coming out soon?
Let me get you the footwear. There's a specific
Thank you.
thing they're doing on them. Hold on.
Thank you. Hi, are you getting the Yeezy release that's coming out soon?
Yeah, we're getting the Cloud Whites, and we are getting the Citrus.
Do you know, with that release, is there any store policy that someone who is a celebrity can get them?
That is a celebrity can get them. On the top of my head, I do not know, but I can ask real quick.
Okay, thank you.
Give me 1 second.
Thank you.
Yeah, hello?
Hello?
Yeah, so unfortunately, this is by raffle, so you do have to come in, fill out a raffle, and see if you win a chance to buy them.
So it's completely fair. There's no preferential treatment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all fair.
Can I ask, have you ever seen any of my videos? My name is Brad.
Brad Hall?
Yeah,
I'm guessing you're a YouTuber?
that's correct.
Unfortunately, no, I have not seen any of your YouTube videos.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
I'm sorry about that, but if you do want to come in and fill one out, you'd be more than welcome.
Yeah, I think I will join the raffle then. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
So there you have it. It looks like celebrities do not get preferential treatment when it comes to shoes.